As per RBI, the limit for foreign portfolio investors during the current fiscal in G-Secs will remain unchanged at what percent? 6%. Which Indian origin teenager was among the winners of the Apple WWDC 21 Swift Student Challenge held? Abhinaya Dinesh. Who has been elected as the Asia Oceania representative at the recently concluded 2021 IAU Congress? Nagraj Adiga. Who has been elected to the board of the International Dairy Federation? R.S. Sodhi. Which Indian Olympic bound wrestler has failed his dope test? Sumit Malik. The Reserve Bank has cut GDP growth forecast for financial year 2021-22 to how much percent? 9.5%. Nitish Rakesh and Jerry Wind has won the prestigious International Business Book of the Year award for 2021 for their which book? Transformation in Times of Crisis. Which nation is planning to ban its citizens from investing in China's tech and defense firms with alleged military ties? US. The Defense Ministry has signed a contract with which among the following firms to procure 11 airport surveillance radars? Mahindra Telephonics. The Bharti AXA Life has signed a pact with which of the following small finance bank? Shivlik Small Finance Bank. Which state has been adjudged as the worst performer in Niti Aayog's third edition of SDG India Index 2020-21? Bihar. Which of the following states has retained the top rank in Niti Aayog's SDG India Index 2020-21? Kerala. The Union Cabinet has approved MOU between India and Argentina in which field? Mineral resources. Which country is not on the policymakers list of the first Asia Pacific Public Sector Cyber Security Executive Council? India. When is World Environment Day being observed? 5th June.